Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to birdwatch the blue sweet dove in Heartopia. So in this new update, Heartopia has a new spring event that called Dreamlight Cinematic. And at this event, you can bird watching the new bird like this, the unique bird that wears a blue suit like this. And to bird watching this bird, just go to the forest, more precisely at the Spirit Oak Pine Forest, and it spawns all time and almost all weather at the sunny, rainy, or rainbow. So just go to the Spirit Oak Pine Forest, this one. Just go to this area and then just walk around to this area, and then after you find the blue sweet stuff, just bird watching it with your scanner tool. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.